What is happening, everybody? This is Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors with another gorgeous Corvette. This is a 2007 Atomic Orange Coupe, 3LT loaded up, and a 6-speed manual transmission. If you can hear that, you can obviously tell that it's had some modifications done to it. We do not have an exact list of the modifications. I can only go by my experience and what we can see. So my experience is it's not a super radical cam that would put it at a stage 2. It also has long tube headers, high flow catalytic converters, and Borla mufflers. Got a nice set of the ZR1 style replica wheels on it, with a great set of Michelin tires. These are the Pilot Sport all seasons. The car has 87,000 miles on it. I'm not sure when the modifications were done to it, but I've been driving it. The car runs and drives perfect. The clutch feels great. Got a brand new state inspection sticker on it. Now, it did have a wrap on the roof when we got it. It was showing its age, so we removed that. I don't know if these spots up in the top here were because of the wrap. You might not be able to see them too well in the video, and at some angles you can't hardly see them at all. And we've thought about re-wrapping it, but for now we're gonna leave it the way that it is. It's not terrible. And then you got the carbon fiber. Well, it's not real carbon fiber, but carbon fiber colored A-pillars there. Got a little bit of fading right here along the edges of it. Again, might not even be able to see that in the video. And it's not too awful prevalent. The interior is in overall good shape for a 2007 with 87 on it. Driver's seat does have some wear on it, as you can see here. And a spot right here on the corner of the bolster, and then the seat bottom. So this car does have heads-up display. It has telescopic steering wheel. It has the steering wheel stereo controls, heated seats, an upgraded stereo with touchscreen, Bluetooth. I believe the speakers have been upgraded too. The stereo sounds really good in here. It's got a ceramic coating sticker on it, so I guess that at some point it had been ceramic coated. You can see the windows are tinted. And it's got a nice matching engine cover there. These are the stainless works long tube headers. Stock intake, which is kind of surprising. But the good thing here is it's got an ATI harmonic balancer that has been changed on it. They get that wobble in these LS2s. It's very common. So it's nice that that's already done. So this is it. Atomic Orange, manual 6-speed C6. We've got it for you right here at Holiday Motors. We're at 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. We've been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com. We can help arrange for shipping and delivery, and always top dollar for your trade. So thanks for watching as always, and we look forward to hearing from you.